Hello and welcome everyone. It's Kathy Lee from Kathy's Creative Place, and I have a couple cards I made with the Craftology box that came out in February. It is the March Craftology box, and it is using the My Mind's Eye farmhouse collection. So I have a couple cards that I wanted to share with you. This one is just a simple thank you card. It has some of the papers from the 6x6 paper pads. This is actually a 3x4 cut apart, and I just matted it on this gorgeous kind of a grayish green artisan cardstock. I love how the grayish green color works with this collection, because this collection really has a lot of black, white, gray, and just a tint of greens and a little bit of light aquas. It's just perfect. So for this card, it's a 6x6 card. I used an Echo Park die cut frame for my sentiment. This is a stamp, a Hero Arts thanks stamp, and I just stamped with black ink and embossed with clear embossing powder. And then I have some double ribbon. This is sheer with a little bit of an olive gingham ribbon, and it just works so well with this color combo. And then I used some of the enamel dots in the corners, and then when you open it up, I used again another piece of the 6x6 pattern paper. This is also another Echo Park die cut frame, and I added again a little bit of gingham ribbon with just a little tie bow. And that is my thanks card. The second one I made is more of a kind of like a housewarming type card. This one has, again, a couple different patterns from the 6x6 pattern paper. Also in the pattern paper, I cut these words out. There's no place like home. I thought that was really cute for my sentiment. And then these are from the chipboard collection. I took and used the houses, and then I also used some of my my leafy collection from Heartfelt Creations, and I stamped and cut them out on this really beautiful, again, it's that grayish green artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations, and it just works so well with this collection. And then I cut some out and die cut them, put them with a 49 market flower. And then it actually is an easel card, so it opens up to the panel here with another 49 market flower, some extra leaves, and this again is another chipboard piece and the striped 6x6 paper, and it just sits here like this. And you can easily create a sentiment, or put some white cardstock in here for a sentiment to share with a friend for like a new home. And I just love the paper collection. It's just really, really pretty and so versatile. You can really use it for so many things. So those are my two that I have from the collection. I'll be making a few more, so hope to see you soon. Thanks for joining me.